For some reason, nobody talks about this AI bot, which this AI bot is actually a very cool AI bot you can actually use to go on to making money on complete autopilot right here. And this is actually a very free AI tool which you can actually use right now. And I'm going to walk you through the process right here, because with this AI tool, you're not actually going to be doing the work for yourself. This AI tool is actually going to help you go on to doing the work right there. So guys, if you do stick onto this video, watch to the end and learn this simple strategy, you can actually replicate that to go on to making money right now with this AI bot in conjunction with CPA Grip right now. And without more delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with the use of other AI tools. So if you do like such content, make sure you just scroll through my channel, check out those videos right there, as they could actually be helpful to you in earning extra income online. So going right back into today's video, you want to just simply come onto this platform called CPAgrip.com and actually go on to creating an account right here. If you do click on register, you should be brought to this page, fill out this form appropriately, and go on to agreeing to the terms of services by checking these boxes out, register for this platform, and go on to gaining access to your account. So right now guys, you want to maybe just simply go on to selecting a very cool sweepstake offer which you want to just simply go on to promoting right now. And if I do actually go on to selecting this offer right now, and the page actually goes on to loading up. So right here guys, you can actually see more details about this offer which you can actually go on to promoting right now. So you want to leave this page open, and you then want to head onto this platform called the Yara.ai. And this is actually an amazing tool which you can actually go on to using to get some cool writing features right now. As you can see right here, the feature of writing is finally here. You could use AI to write proven, high converting copy for increased conversions and higher ROI. And with this platform, you could instantly generate top-notch copy for ads, for your emails, for websites, listings, blogs, stories, and lots more right now. And you can actually see right here that you could generate copies for your social media platforms. You could generate ads and ad copies, articles, email copies, and website copies right now. And it is quite easy to go on to doing that. And you can see right here that it's actually trusted with some cool platforms right here, such as Meta, the Harvard University, Berkeley, Google, Spotify, and a lot more cool and amazing platforms out there. So what you want to do is to actually go on to signing up to this platform. Click on get started. It's quite free. Go on to sign up with your email address, and if you do sign up, you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. You then want to just simply come onto this blog section, and you can actually start writing right here from the long form writer, from blog conclusion, blog ideas. You could write from any section of your choice right now, but I'm going to start from the blog title right here. If I do come right here, I'm just going to go on to inserting a simple title for my blog post right now. So if I do search for this particular topic right here, which is how to make money online, you can either go on to, maybe if this option is actually available to you, changing the particular language and the language output. Right now you can then just simply click on generate AI content, and it's actually going to go on to generating the content for you. You can see right now that it actually went on to generating a particular title for me. You could go on to selecting a title right here which you want to use. Supposing I want to just simply use this title right now, I'm just going to go on to copying that title. I can then just simply go on to the intro section to actually generate an introduction for me right now. So if I do come right here, I can actually click on generate AI content, and it's actually going to go on to generating an introduction for me on that particular niche right now, or that particular topic right here. You can actually use that to your advantage. Go on to generating other sections right now for this particular article, and then just simply end up creating a simple article right now. And if you do create a simple article, you then want to just simply merge all the sections which you do create right here, such as the title, the outline, the blog section, the conclusion, and everything right there. Merge them as one cool article right now, and you can then just simply go on to promoting that right there. So you could head on to platforms right here, like this particular AI tool called the nightcafe.studio or nightcafe.com. If you do head onto this platform, you can actually go on to using it to generate some cool and stunning AI art or AI images right here. So basically you want to sign up right here. It's also free. If you do sign up right now guys, you can actually come to this section, and I just want to go on to creating a very cool image which I can actually use to go on to promoting my particular article with right now. So guys, if I do actually ask this AI right here to actually go on to creating an excited young guy, or to giving me an image for an excited young guy with money around him, ultra realistic, extreme detail, I can actually do come right here, click on create, and it should actually do go on to creating an image right here for me right now. And actually guys, you can actually do see the image that was created right here for me. I can then just simply go on to clicking on download right now to download this image. You can actually do see how cool this image actually looks like. Then you can actually do use this image in conjunction with this article which this particular AI generated for you to actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offer. And in doing so, you want to just simply head on to this platform right here called Vocal Media, because this is actually an amazing platform where you can actually do go on to post promoting your offers on. Because with this platform guys, it's actually a very cool platform that connects writers and readers together. You could come onto this platform, post some cool stories, and a lot of people that are interested in reading do come to this platform, read such stories, and you do get paid by the amount of views which you do get on your stories right here. So what you want to do is to come right here, click on create story. If you do click on create story right now, as you can see right here guys, you will be brought to this section where you want to just simply go on to inputting a title, a subtitle, and actually writing some cool words right now to that particular story right here. So I can actually do head back to Yara, and I'm just going to go into the title section and actually do copy that exact title which was actually generated right here. I can actually do click on that, and it's actually going to go into generating that title for me. I'm just going to go on to go copying this particular title right now. If I copy that, I'm going to head back to Vocal Media, paste in that in right here. You could actually ask it to generate a subtitle, or I'm just going to use this exact section as a subtitle right now. If I do copy that and paste in right in here, the subtitle has actually been pasted. I can then just simply go on to generating a content right now and pasting it in this section. So for the introduction, I'm going to head back to Yara and actually do copy that intro right there. If I do head back to the introduction section, click on generate content, it's actually going to go on to generating a simple introduction right here for me, of which I'm just going to go on to copying this introduction right now. And if I do copy that guys, I'm going to head back to Vocal Media right there and paste in that right in here. And immediately after this introduction, I'm just going to go on to inserting that particular image right there, which was actually generated with that particular platform, which is the Night Cafe right here. So if I do head back to this particular platform, which is called Vocal Media, I can do click on select file right now and go on to uploading that particular image. This is the image right here. Once the image has actually been uploaded, I can then just simply go on to posting the other section of this particular article right now. And if you do that guys, in between you want to just simply add in a very cool and amazing call to action to this particular CPA marketing offer that will actually help you direct traffic to that. You can actually do putting something like click on the link to actually enter the 500 for a 500 euro or $500 giveaway right now, and you just simply have to complete a survey to gain access to that. If you do go on to adding that to that particular post right here, you can then just simply go on to publishing that on this website, and as many people that do come right here go on to reading such articles will actually be interested in that. Click on that link, complete such offers, and you do actually do get paid some cool affiliate commission, and they also stand a chance of gaining access to that particular cash right there. So it's going to be a win-win for everyone. So next, you want to just simply go on to using other platforms out there like Medium to actually go on to doing exactly the same strategy right now. So if you do head on to Medium, you can go on to doing similar strategy as you did see right there on Vocal Media. All you want to do is to just simply click on write and actually do go on to writing a very cool article as you and actually do use the Yara to actually do right there and promote on Vocal Media right now, or this particular platform called medium.org. You will also go on to utilizing other platforms right here like the Pinterest.com right now. And with Pinterest, you want to just simply come right here, click on create, go on to clicking on create pin, where you can actually do go on to pasting or creating a very cool pin that can actually use to drive traffic to that offer right now. So right here, you want to just simply come right here, click on this section, upload that particular image right there. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. You want to give this a title. You could use actually the same title that was generated right there by the Yara AI. You could also go on to inserting a simple description, and for that description you may just want to go on to putting in that particular introduction right there. As you can see right here, oops, the description is too long. Try trimming it down right now. So you can actually trim that down, but make sure it's actually quite captivating so that it will lead people to go on to reading the full article. And for the full article, you want to put in the link right here in this section. Go on to publishing that on Pinterest and start getting a lot of traffic, because Pinterest gets about 1 billion visits every single month. So why not just simply go on to using that to your advantage right now and start making money online. So I do hope this video has been of help. If yes, make sure you do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Also guys, if you do have any question, just simply leave that in the comment section down below, and I will be able to go on to replying you in due time. And guys, don't forget to check out the video which you can actually do see on the screen right now to learn other strategies on how you can make money with CPA marketing.